Love Tool makes use of research findings about factors that make our lifestyle unique. To state an example, if as a child you were bullied in a bathtub, research and scientific studies over many years indicate that will affect how you view water and swimming when you become an adult. In the same way, the kind of relationships we have with relatives, neighbors and other people we come into contact with as children affect how we will manage relationships as adults. You might be saying, this is not news. So how does the Love Tool work? The Love Tool works by making it possible for you to manipulate some characteristics about you that will make you more likely to be loved. You cannot change your height, but you can change a lot of characteristics that identify you. Please go to Google Play and select Love Tool, in double quotes, to use the Love Tool. Love Tool from Android Market.